In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add basic multiple interactions in a Figma prototype. If you're looking to enhance your design skills and make your prototypes come alive with various interactions, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to implement these interactions effectively. Let's begin by navigating to the Figma website where all the creative action happens. Once you're on the site, you'll want to find the login button, which is usually located at the top right of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your workspace. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage all your files and projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Now direct your attention to the design section of Figma. This is where you can access the specific project you'd like to work on. Once you've opened the project, look for the element you wish to enhance with interactions. Clicking on this element will highlight it and give you access to further options. Next, you'll want to transform this element into a component. Right-click on the element and select the option to create a component. This action not only organizes your project better, but also makes it easier to apply interactions consistently. Now, let's move into the heart of adding interactions. Click on the Prototype tab situated at the top of your interface. This area is where you can bring your designs to life, allowing you to simulate real user experiences. Once in the prototype view, you'll notice an interaction button. Clicking on this opens up a multitude of options for you to choose from. Here you can define how elements within your design react to user actions such as clicks or hovers. This is an essential step for those looking to build dynamic and responsive prototypes. Remember, while it might seem a tad overwhelming at first, practice makes perfect. As you become more familiar with Figma's interface and interaction tools, you'll find your workflow becoming smoother and more intuitive. Explore various interaction types and have fun experimenting with what works best for your project. That's all there is to it. You've made it through the process of adding basic interactions in Figma, and your prototype is now more interactive and engaging. Whether you're showcasing your project to stakeholders or just experimenting on your own, these steps will undoubtedly bring your designs to the next level. Keep practicing and soon you'll be adding interactions like a pro.